Welcome back, everyone. So, earlier today I decided to put on Instagram and on Facebook about doing the same colors that I did in my last video, and this time I'm going to be using them with the injector pour. I noticed these colors don't do too well with white, so we're going to revisit that gray. I lightened it up though because I thought that first gray was going to be a little bit too dark, so we have a lighter gray now for the base. And what we do is we fill inside the center here with our base color. Then we fill, this is one of those turkey baster kind of flavor injector things that you can buy at a grocery store. And then all you do, you fill this with the color and slowly release it into our base. The colors from the last video, just to run over, we're using SOHO Mars Black, COLORSHIFT's pink, blue, and aqua. And then we have Golden's Interference Violet, and Premier Purple Red, and LUKAS CRYL Fluorescent Blue. Let's get started. Alright, welcome back. Sorry, I had to adjust the light and everything, but I'm loving the way this finished. I love the blue that's popping up here in the center, that fluorescent and that blue flash. Let me zoom in so you guys can see this a little bit better. Okay, but yeah, look at all those cells popping up. I'm loving that violet purple that's coming through. And the pink. Oh, and I can't wait to show you guys, like, when this is done, that golden interference violet is going to, it's just the way the light is picking up on these flashes and that violet. It's also the lacing that's popping up. This is a really fun technique, using that injector and putting the color directly into the base, and the cells that come up through it and the lacing it creates. It's a little bit more unique than just doing a flip cup, I think. Yeah, you can see the results, you can see the difference. Just gonna move it around so you guys can see a little bit more of it up close. So pretty. I like it. Oh, and let me move this so you guys can see that pink and that golden interference violet right in here. It's hard to see in camera, but it is so, like, it's glowing the way the light is picking up on it. So I can't wait to see that dry. But yeah, I'm glad you guys told me to repeat these colors. Let me zoom out again so you guys can see all of this. Adjust everything. But yeah, like, look at the depth inside of this, and like, just how it sucks you in to, like, this little spiral that's going on here in the center. And it definitely reminds me of, like, Christina's Boilermaker or the reverse swipe, where she takes the paint and covers the center. It's definitely reminiscent of, like, the outcome, but it still has its own way that the colors explode. Like in the last one, the way the colors, larger cells, smaller cells. Let me grab that last one real quick and show you, so you can see the difference between this one, the small cells, and this one right here. So this one was done with the half cup on the last video, and it created a lot of the larger cells. You can see the white popping up a lot more, and just the way the layering and the skewer created. Trying to adjust the lighting so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, you can see the black, you can see the way it laced a little bit differently, and the cells were a little bit more sporadic. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm definitely gonna keep playing with this. I have more ideas. I'm definitely gonna use, like, a double syringe, so I'm gonna need all the luck with that one. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Was this enjoyable? Don't forget to check out all of my sites and subscribe. That would be amazing if you guys enjoyed this and want to see more. And till next time, if you have any questions, leave them below, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!